Hello everyone, I welcome you to Varagitech. This video is about algorithm. In this video, you are going to see about algorithm definition, characteristics, qualities, then features of algorithm, then steps to develop an algorithm, then finally one simple example. Let's begin with the definition of algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step finite set of well-defined instructions or rules used to solve a specific problem or perform a particular task. Algorithms can be expressed in various forms, including natural language, pseudocode, or programming languages like Python, and they are a fundamental concept in computer science and program. Algorithm is a well-defined computational procedure consisting of a set of instructions that takes some value or set of values as input and produces some value or set of values as output using algorithm. Next, characteristics of algorithms. First characteristics, each and every instruction should be precise and unambiguous. That means each instruction in the algorithm must be clear, specific and free from any ambiguity to prevent misinterpretation. Second characteristic, algorithm should have finite number of steps. That means an algorithm should have a predetermined number of steps, ensuring that it terminates within a reasonable time frame. Third one, algorithm should be written in sequence. Algorithms are designed to be executed in a clear step-by-step sequence with each step building upon the previous one. The fourth characteristics, algorithm should have finite number of inputs. That means algorithm should handle a finite well-defined range of input data, as handling an infinite number of inputs is impractical. The fifth characteristics, ensure that algorithm will terminate. That means algorithm must be constructed in a way that guarantees they will reach an endpoint, ensuring they don't run indefinitely. Last characteristics, results should be obtained only after the algorithm terminates. This means the algorithm should produce results only after it has fully completed its sequence of steps and reached termination. Next, qualities of good algorithm. First quality of algorithm. An algorithm should take less time to execute the program. Second quality, memory. A good algorithm should take less memory space to execute the program. Third quality, accuracy. A good algorithm should provide more accurate result. Fourth quality, sequence. A good algorithm should be written in sequence, that is step by step. Fifth quality, understandability. A good algorithm should be easily understandable. Then finally, solvability. A good algorithm should solve all the problems. Next, key features of algorithms. These are some of the key features of algorithm. First, sequence. Each instruction is executed in sequence, that is step by step. Then decision. The result is based on some condition. Third one, repeat. The process is repeated until the condition becomes false. Next, steps to develop an algorithm. The first step is problem statement. Clearly define the problem you want to solve or the task you need to perform. Next step, analysis. Break down the problem into smaller, manageable sub-problems or tasks. Then design. Create a high-level plan or pseudocode, outline the steps you will take to solve the problem. Then refinement. Refine the problem, adding more detail and addressing any potential issues or edge cases. Then implementation. Write the algorithm in a programming language like Python using the refined plan as a guide. Then testing and debugging. Here, Test the algorithm with different inputs to ensure it produces the correct output. Debug and fix any issues that arise. Then optimization. Analyze the algorithm's efficiency and if necessary make improvements to reduce time and space complexity. Then documentation. Document the algorithm's purpose and how it works, adding comments to the code for clarity. Then maintenance. Algorithms may need updates or modifications over time to accommodate changing requirements or to improve performance. Developing effective and efficient algorithms is a fundamental skill in computer science and programming, and it is essential for solving a wide range of problems in various domains. Here is one simple example algorithm for finding sum of two numbers. The first step, start. Here the algorithm starts. Second step, print enter two numbers. It prompts the user to enter two numbers. Third step, read A, B. It reads the values of A and B. Fourth step, C equal to A plus B. It calculates C as the sum of A and B. Then fifth step, print C. It prints the value of C. Final step, sixth step, stop. The algorithm terminates. These are the basic steps for writing any algorithm. In this video, we have seen about some basics of algorithm. In the upcoming videos, we can see more about algorithms. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe Tech. Thank you.